I had the opportunity to speak at the Stories Conference 2025 in Orlando, Florida on May 1st. It was one of the most prestigious testing conferences in the world. I delivered a 1 hour session attended by approximately 25 to 30 industry professionals. My talk focuses on AI agents, covering various types of agents and different architectural approaches. I also discussed how these agents can be applied across various sectors such as finance, healthcare, education, software development, and more. I concluded by exploring how AI agents can be leveraged in the field of test automation, introducing a concept called automating the automation. I'll repeat, automating the automation, or we call it hyper automation. For this session, I also demonstrate a prototype developed specifically for this conference. I thought I would share that prototype with our network. Now let's go to the demo part here I used for the presentation. So we have a project planning, we have a test strategy, test script, test data, test execution, and test report. And this is the prompting area. So let's give the prompts and we will see the results. So the right from the project planning till the test report, all the tasks will be done through the prompts. Let's give the first prompt. Let me copy this one. So as a senior manager, create an automation project plan for your 5 member team, including timeline, roles, and responsibilities. Let's give now. It takes about 15 to 20 seconds and the project plan will be ready. So we need not wait for days and months. It will be ready within 15 to 20 seconds. Yeah, it's ready now. You can see here is a detailed test automation project plan for a team of 5 members, followed by a comprehensive report summarizing the plan execution approach. So it talks about the project plan scope and the member one, member two. It is also talking about the roles: test automation lead, automation engineer, QA analyst, DevOps engineer, test execution engineer, and then analyzing the requirements and identifying test scenarios, prioritizing test cases for automation, automation framework and tool selections, test environment setup, test execution strategy, test schedule, test metrics to track, risk and mitigation. Yeah. So this is a comprehensive plan is already generated by the LLM. Now let's go to the second prompt. We will give this is about the test strategy document. So we will give as a senior strategist, create a comprehensive strategy document for a test automation project. Yeah, query has been submitted to the agent. Please wait while the agents are working for you. Yes, hardly takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Yes, it's ready now. A comprehensive test automation strategy document for an enterprise project should provide a clear, structured plan and aligns with the business objectives and software development lifecycle, ensuring effective automation implementation. So the first one is the introduction, goals and objectives. stakeholder engagement and governance, test automation scope definition, risk analysis. So likewise, it goes on and on, and then budget and resources, maintenance, summary checklist. So everything will be done. So by tweaking here and there, the test strategy document will be ready in a minute. Okay. Now let's go to the next part. The next part is the test scripts. So here we will give a different type of prompt saying that um, create a PyTest test script using Selenium to open the Google homepage. Enter the search term future of agentic AI into a search box and click the search button. So the script has to do open the Google homepage, and then it is giving the search query, and then it has to click on the button. So it will create a test script. Yeah. So yeah, it is giving the yeah. Now we have already mentioned the PyTest. So it is generating the query based on the PyTest uh, yeah, PyTest style. So it is giving the import part first, and then PyTest fixtures and the driver file. Yeah, it is talking all those things, and then how to run the script. Everything is done here. Okay. Now we will go to the next one called test data. So the test data is little different. What we will do is, for the purpose of the demo, we have a folder output. Here we have a file called products.xml. So we will open this one, and here, see, there are so many nodes are here in the XML file, and we want to extract only the name of the product and the price. So the other things we don't want it. So it has to extract the data for name and the price from this large XML file and get the data, put it into a separate file like a CSV or Excel file. Then that data we will be using uh, for the testing. Okay. Let's close this one. Yeah. So now we will go back to our prompt saying that extract create. Yeah, extract and create test data from an XML file by retrieving only the relevant data fields needed for current testing. So this one, it is internal to the company. So we need not depend on the LLMs. Okay. Yeah, test data generated successfully. Path this output folder. Okay. Now we will go back to. So here it's already generated a CSV file with extracted data. So today at this time, now if you open this one here, it will open the Excel file, and we need only two set of data. One is like a name, the other one is like a um, price. Yes. Now look at here. You can see the name and the price. So these data it's extracted from the XML, and we can use this data for our testing purpose. So this one, as I told you, this is internal to the company. So we need not depend on the LLMs. So that is done. Now let's go back to the next part. The next one is test execution. Okay. Now if you take the prompt here, So as an automation expert, configure and execute the test scripts in parallel mode to optimize execution time. So the task to the agent is it has to run the scripts in parallel mode. Okay. Now let's give this one, and it is opening. See, you can see so many Google pages, and you can see there are 6 different applications. One is like mit.edu, one is google.com, the other one is J&J, another is the wipro.com, amazon.com. So it opened all different applications. It's doing a testing by itself and it's closing one by one. So purposely I gave some wait time to show it to you all, and it is opening one by one and closing it. See, it's already closed one of the applications and it's closing. Yeah, J&J is there. It's closed. So that is the test executions. The last one is like a test report. We will give our prompt here. As a test expert, collect and generate a detailed testing reports for the further analysis. Let's give the query and a small click here. Yes. Uh, yeah, look at here. This is the test report, and X column is like status. Y is the number of test cases, number of test cases passed, failed, no results, partial pass, skipped, error. So this is the report in the graph mode. Um, yeah, so likewise we can achieve, we can do so many things. Instead of having one script, we can have say 50, 100 scripts. We can have multiple reports. We can have a pie chart. Anything we can do it here um, using the agents. Now, so what did we achieve? We begin automating the automation process using AI agent. So using the AI agent, so we automated the automation. So this approach saves both time and cost while increasing the efficiency. The important point here is the entire test automation lifecycle was executed through simple prompting. Okay. Thank you all for watching this one. We will continue to drive innovations in the agentic AI space. Thanks. Have a great day.